joining us right now is Shobha De, noted author as well as columnist. Shobha De, first the Maharashtra Police, then the Bihar Police, then the Enforcement Directorate, now the CBI. I want to know from you, first of all, your initial comments on the manner in which, or the nature in which this investigation is proceeding.
Well, I'm not an expert to comment on the manner in which they're done, because these are all, hardcore professional players. This is not the first case that they're investigating. I'm just disappointed by the salacious nature of the way this case, a very sensitive case, is being reduced to a kind of a tamasha. I have a lot of reservations about that, because everything seems to be designed for attracting attention or media attention.
That's right. Now, Shobha De, Riya has filed an affidavit in the Supreme Court where she says, and you also mentioned about it, that this is a trial by media. So where do you stand on this issue, on this allegation, this affidavit that has been filed by Riya?
Well, everybody somehow at some stage falls back on that this is a trial by media. She's not the first one. She's not going to be the last one. There is some element of truth in it, but it's also something that could be a strategy to buy time, because as we have seen, the way the whole case has been dealt with to date is it's all about buying time. It's all about stalling. So maybe she's extremely well advised by a top lawyer who surely must be the person guiding her as to what she should do next. It can't be coming from her. So whatever she's doing, I suppose, as a person who is in the eye of the storm, she is bound to try just about everything to keep matters on hold and delay it, which is the normal tactic.
Okay, just quickly coming back to the point on the media, do you think that a high-profile case such as this is just bound to attract this sort of media attention?
There's no question that had Sushant Singh Rajput been a lesser star or a nobody, since he has been what they're now calling deaths by hanging, there have been other deaths by hanging of a TV star, 2 or 3 TV stars as a matter of fact, none of which have garnered this kind of attention. The fact that the players involved and the sort of sleazy details that are emerging, of course it's going to be something the media laps up. This is not unique to media in India. It would have been lapped up anywhere in the world. It has the potential for pushing TRPs, and this is what the whole media game is about. So I'm not blaming media necessarily, and also it's the public interest in it, which is very exaggerated. It is inevitable given the players involved.
Okay. Do you think that stars or people who are, and this is a larger, broader question that I want to ask you, that stars as well as those in public life should not necessarily shy away or escape from public attention or media scrutiny? It's perhaps part of their life. Or is this just an oversimplification of a problem and we must address this crisis? Would you call it a crisis?
Well, it's something that they cannot fight. It is something that is a global phenomenon. This is a part of the whole fame game. It's all about celebrityhood. And if you don't like this life, then you have to choose another life for yourself. But here is a case which all the masala elements involved. How can you expect the media to be indifferent to it? And they also see it as part of their job to keep the cops on their toes, to keep the investigative agencies on their toes, to keep the politicians and netas on their toes. Because right now there are so many different elements and everybody seems to be fighting for anything but finding the truth about what really happened to this man. Was it a suicide? Was it murder? Where is the money? There are no clear answers. We still don't know, because if the ED grills her for 15 hours, 18 hours, that's also part of the ED game, either to psychologically break down a person or also to prove to the media that they're doing their best, they're doing what they can to get to the bottom of it. I find it very difficult to believe, for example, that an agency like that, the most feared agency perhaps in India, for a 15 crore money trail is going to take so long to track where that money is. I mean, they've cracked the biggest cases and they've given us money trails of some of the biggest, economic, financial fraudsters in India. And here is a case with 50 crores or 15 crores at stake that we know about. And I think they're doing it also to stay in the headlines. Being in media is such a tempting thing, not just for cops, not just for politicians, and not just for movie stars, not just for media anchors, but just about everybody. I mean, a story like this, I think after the Indrani Mukherjee case, this is by far the most salacious, sizzling story, which can be milked for what it's worth. So yes, what you're asking me, should celebrities get used to it? If they aren't already used to it, well, they better get used to it real fast.
All right.
It's not going to go away.
The point that you made, Shobha De, is very, very significant. Do you think, and we have spoken to a lot of experts and they say, and many who are sympathetic to Rhea, they say that cops and politicians are just responding to the headlines. And they're doing this because they're playing to the gallery.
Well, I'm not in a position to say who's playing to the galleries, whether it's Rhea playing to the galleries, the people who lived in Sushant's house who seem to be changing their version every 5 minutes, the friends who suddenly popped out of the woodwork, the attempts to, link his case to the ex-manager who's no more, etc. So if everybody is playing to the galleries, I don't know. I mean, who do you say is playing more, who's playing less, and who decides that? Is that kind of a case? It's going to attract that kind of an attention till something else shows up, which is even more sensational. And then after that, do you think anybody is really going to wait around and find out who actually or what killed Sushant Singh Rajput?
Okay. All right. All right. Thank you very much, Shobha De, for joining us with your views on this issue.